Right, so before we get into anything, let me just tell you what today actually is. This is not a pitch. I am not here to sell you something. What I am doing is opening the door, showing you the studio, the work, the code, and honestly, how the whole thing started. So by the time this video ends, you'll know exactly who we are, how we build, and we do it the way we do. So let's just get into it. Who am I? So, my name's Aidan. I'm 18 years old and I run Dunvale Studio. I am the owner. So, I dropped out of college, but I came out with a qualification in IT and design, and that honestly shaped everything that came after. I did not leave with nothing, I left with a direction. So, today I'm taking you properly behind the scenes, the code structure we use, the real projects we've shipped, and at the end, I will tell you the actual story of how this studio came to exist, because it did not start where you might expect. So, what do we specialise in? So, what does Dunvale actually do? So, we are a website design studio based in Staffordshire, England, and the way we work is very simple. So, we build custom websites from scratch using HTML and CSS. So, there's no page builders, it's nobody else's code getting in the way. It's just our clean work we have written ourselves with full control over every single part of the design. Also build automated systems, things like lead generation pipelines that capture enquiries and send them straight into your inbox without you lifting a finger. And the third thing we do is AI agents, custom agents built on Claude and ChatGPT, trained specifically for your business. So on one side, you are looking at my own website, dunvalestudio.co.uk. So that's built entirely by me, by hand. Our code philosophy, right? The code is how we actually build things. So we use HTML, CSS, and occasionally a bit of Java when we need to handle something on the server side. I know it seems fine at first. The data saves, it works in your device, but the second someone submits that form, in any device that they use, it does not save on. It's gone. It doesn't transfer. It just doesn't sync. It just disappears. So the way we go around this is we use Supabase for the database and Web3Forms for the submissions. So Supabase stores everything centrally, so every device and every person and every submission ends up in the same place, readable from anywhere in real time. Web3Forms fires off an email notification the second someone hits submit. And underneath all of that, we use MySQL to format the data properly. Structured tables so nothing is scrambled. Everything is organised and you can actually read your own database when you open it. Everything's really impressive to what they built. And I love showing you guys. So, what have we already built? So, the two real projects we've shipped so far. So the first one is a fully working wedding website for Beth and Damien. So that is not a template. That is a custom website connected to a real server with an RCVP system that writes to Supabase. That is a live guest list system that updates every device, was including a mail selection form and a password protected admin dashboard that Beth and Damien can use to manage everything themselves. The email confirmation fires a second someone submits. It works. The second is the coaching platform for Prima Kamini, which is Justine Dooley's wellness studio. She doesn't actually use that the design I have created because it's still updating. So right now she's just using NanoStream, which is fine for now. It will still be an upgrade, but it already has a booking session packaging offers, and the whole thing's hooked up to Prima. Also the AI agent we built for us. So it did not start with code. I actually did not start with code at all. I started from nothing. So it started with meditation classes. I know that sounds, but those classes generally built something in me that was not there before. A level of calm. it's a level of self-belief, a reason to push forward then rather just stay still. So that also led me to VIP business coaching sessions through Prima Cone. And that session, honestly, is what tipped the balance for me to actually start Dunvale Studio. So I walked out of it with enough confidence to actually start something. And that was without question the most hardest part I could have ever done of this journey so far. Though isn't the code. It's actually going on your own and actually starting it is the confidence you actually need to get started. It is incredibly difficult. So the studio exists because I actually pushed past that moment. And that is something I've reminded myself of constantly. If you got anything from this video, subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you want to see next. I'll catch you in the next one.